Hey guys, my name is Ben here for aNerdHeard, where we talk tech, gaming, and collectibles. And today we got one of the last pieces for the new setup for my work from home setup, and I am beyond thrilled. I also didn't expect the box to be this big. So let's get to the unboxing. So I, in this office, predominantly have done the streaming. If you don't know or haven't subscribed to it, hop on over to Twitch. Look for recycle_Ben_ANH for aNerdHeard. And you can catch me streaming hopefully soon. I've been, during this pandemic, taking advantage of the time that we've had. And I've been working 2 jobs. Now I got a pretty sweet main gig. And yeah, I got to get more serious about my setup at home in order to work from home. So, without further ado, let's see if I can get this out. And here it is. Ooh, baby. This here is the LG UltraFine display 5K. It's a 27-inch monitor. Currently I'm rocking a 23 Asus gaming monitor and a 24-inch Dell monitor. I now have that 2016 MacBook Pro that I've been graciously provided to work with, and they said I need a better monitor. So here it is. So let's get to it. One of the things I'm most excited about this is that it will be wall mounted. And this does come with the appropriate VESA fixings to get it to work with that. Oh, that's cool. The box fits like just underneath. There we go. Putting this unboxing knife to good use. We'll use it here too. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe and stay tuned. Ring the little bell icon, as I'll be doing a tour of the office setup once that's done. Alright. No shortage of styrofoam. First thing we have here is a box of accessories. We'll get to all that once we actually unbox the monitor, which I see right here. Probably would be best to do it from the ground to the front. So that's what we'll do. This office isn't very large. It's maybe 8 foot by 8 foot. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. All right, and here she is. Look at that. This is cool. Now this will be the nicest monitor that I got in the house. So I'm very stoked to see what it looks like in person. I have worked with this monitor before, but never to the extent where I can leisurely appreciate what it has to offer. Wow. Oh, this is nice. This is just nice. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. So yeah, the stand has gotten a lot of praise for doing what it does. That is quite amazing. Plenty of space between the shelving. Well, I built these to be, I think, 21 inches. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna fit real nice. Real nice. I can't wait to see what the camera quality is like. Maybe I don't even need a webcam anymore. Alright. So, in this accessory box, we got the one plug for power, a USB-C cable, and then the Thunderbolt 3 cable. So even on the bag, it tells you Thunderbolt 3, and it works with the MacBook Pro, the MacBook Air, the Mac Mini, the iMac, and the iMac Pro. And then the USB specifically is for the MacBook and the iPad Pro. It's kind of neat. Along in the accessory box, we also get this, which is what I'm going to be using, which is the VESA mount. So this, where we'll place the mount, or the plates on the back currently. Let me show y'all real quick. So back here, this plate right here, you just press that, it pops out. And this is like rugged. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is a piece of plastic, but that is extremely rugged. And that'll go on the back. Now, I'm happy because I have this arm just sitting on the side over here. And as y'all can see, that's gonna line up oh so perfectly. Oh yeah. And then I'll just hang on the wall. So, on the rear of the device, while we're here, I can go ahead and point out a couple of things. One's going to be the main Thunderbolt 3. Actually, the only Thunderbolt 3. What this will allow you to do is to plug your MacBook into here, and it says that it can actually power the MacBook as well. So you don't have to have the power from the MacBook to the adapter and then a separate one for this. In fact, this one plug can power both. I don't know how efficiently that will be when you're running things like Google Chrome and Zoom at the same time, but we're gonna find out. And then you have 3 other ones. It's kind of like a hub, which I will be using since I do have a hub, and it awkwardly just hangs from the MacBook. So, like I said, I will be doing a complete redo of the setup. If you guys want a quick little view of what that looks like currently, nothing special, alright? Let me get this out of the way. So currently, this monitor right here is what we use for everyday work, and this one over here is the one that we use for gaming. We do have the Harman Kardon Sticks speakers. The subwoofer is down there, and we got this little clicky-clacky Corsair keyboard, the G05 that you guys have seen the unboxing for up there, and then the Asus monitor, which does have its own little mount back there. But I'm thinking that we're going to replace this and put the, I don't know what to do here. My thought is we could leave that there, put the MacBook up here, but then that look kind of janky. I kind of like the clean aesthetic. What we might try and do is replace that monitor with this really awesome, what is it called? Rain Design M stand with the MacBook on there. Have that sitting over here, which I'm kind of excited for. So right there, MacBook right there, and then this bad boy over here. And what I want to do is run a switcher, so I can switch between the PC, which is down there in the corner. It does have a little thing that I built for it to raise it up off the ground, and then I can have the MacBook into it as well. But with the press of a button, I can switch between the feeds, so we can decide what goes on here. I don't know. We're still figuring it out. I'm super excited though. So yeah, this is Ben from aNerdHeard. Thank y'all so much for the support. We are steadily climbing our way towards 200 subs, and I'm hoping we can get the 200. Tell you what, if we do get the 200, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away one of these bad boys. That is the Logitech G502. This mouse right here. So if we can get to 200 subs, I'll give one of those away to one of y'all. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and above everything else, thank y'all so much for all the support, and have a wonderful day. Be safe. Love y'all. Peace.